The Zulay Kitchen stainless steel garlic press roller, made with high-quality, durable stainless steel. This set also includes a silicone peeler and scraper. To use the peeler, simply insert a garlic clove inside, roll the sleeve on the counter using the palm of your hand, and take out the skin-free garlic. To use the garlic roller, simply place your garlic on a hard, flat surface. Rock the garlic rocker press back and forth over the garlic, and collect the minced garlic using the scraper. This garlic roller is rust-proof, odorless, has a perfectly designed ergonomic shape, and crushes your garlic in seconds. Easy to clean and dishwasher friendly. A simple tool that does its job perfectly. Get yours today.